Good morning, everyone. Today, the January 7, 2022. So we get the market overview. So the SP 500 dropped like 0.1%. That means 4.52. That means $4.5 billion. And SP 100, kind of the same. Dow Jones dropped 170 point. That means we lost 170 billion dollar, and NASDAQ is 19 point. That means just 19 billion dollars, and we got some long-term trending future stock. So anything belong to platinum is 25% loss. So if you want to gain a lot, is invest on oats company and lumber and canola, coffee, gasoline, crude oil, cotton. So a lot of them gain about 137% to 50-some%, because the market overview is based on the state, on that economy. And so those companies want to stay or leaving the state. So, and one more news I want to share with everyone is China right now is trying to buy and save a lot of food, especially soybean, corn, and a lot of dry food. So for what? So the economy of the USA reporting is they prepare for the war. And that's why the price of the food, even though from Costco, Sam, even though like outside markets, small markets, it will go up. Be prepared for that. And now, if something you eat like all years, let's say I drink the coconut all years, and now I can buy $10, because next 6 months I don't have to buy it anymore. Something like that. Like people eat a lot of rice, and now they can buy 10 bags of rice, and they can eat in 2 years, something like that. Be prepared for. And this one is real news, as America real news. And the first one we're going to take a look today is KHOÁN. It's KI or K. KHOÁN is a big company, and especially, I think everyone knows that. That's 100% American company. It's in Tennessee. That's around 5,000 people work for it, and KHOÁN's highest is 34, and lowest is 13.2, and right now just around 15. And of course, we buy from 15 down to 12. That'd be good for us. Especially, that's really weird. The cap from KHOÁN is really low. It rang around 500 to 200. But anyway, KHOÁN is big, really big company, and get the contract with Costco and sell everything for Costco or the whole country. But sometimes it's really hard to say. And to explain this one is there's a lot of time. So a lot of company, the investor company, try to signal this and guide this company to, that will jump to $20 or more than $20. Especially their rotation pretty good, like $21 in yearly rotation, and daily rotation is like 1.1, 1.2. That's mean more than $1, and you just need to buy it around the profits, which need about 20 to 50 cents. And in order to do that, you have to set up many orders you can. Especially some company like this with the cap is really low, but how popular they are. The most popular is more important than the cap. And sometimes we not show the real cap. Think about that. How much for each item costs, and they send to Americas everywhere. Especially CHὼNG is huge company. They produce everything. There's many different products, and of course they have to cost more than $206 million. Now we can take a look. The live map is running around 16 and go down to 15.5. Sometime in the month. I mean, CHÅNG is the volume is around 600,000 every day. The volume is not $1 billion, but they move really much. It won't stay in the same spot. That's mean the way they move, the way we make profits. Because if you buy some stock really stable, they don't move much, and that's called safe profit. And the way they move more than $1, you get large profit. Especially now we go to take a look at the OLK. That's OLink. OLK is going down right now, and it's keep going down. And especially on V2, we can tell it's running around $200 million to 1.882. And this is a $1 billion company, but has been there like since 2018. And the just jump on the markets is around March 25, 2021. It's not that much, but every reporting from Q1 to Q2, Q3 is there, and it's going to be higher. And especially the direction map, we can tell the direction map is going down. And of course, we need to stop ahead, buy them around 10 or even though under 10. And then when it move up a little bit, we sell it, we make profits right away. There's a healthcare service in Sweden. Right now, please remember, you can do the research, tech, and focus in any company in European, in Europe, they call European companies. So, and Republican state, that's more important. And please try to stay away a little bit from Democratic states, because the economy and the tax really high. Especially like New York is 21% tax, and like Chicago like 10% something. A lot of state or area like that, people really now is the economy is up their state a little went down. And a lot of state right now just like 5-7%, even though free tax. So would you like to pay tax every day? Or would you like to pay really low tax? Or even though zero tax? Think about that. How much you save a year when you didn't pay any like consumer tax? Like even though you just go there and buy a cup or buy a little bike, costs $100, and you have to pay $21 for tax, and that bike costs $121. That's unfair for people that make good money. Doesn't matter you make good money or not. You got an income like $1 billion, or you get an income like 20 grand a year, and you still, the way you save, the way you use it, make your future. That's guiding your future. And especially now we come back with the map, and this stay around close to 24.18. Let's go on. As well as the over 36, 30, And now it is close to 10. And especially this healthcare service company is